In today's video, we are going to reveal an AI-powered tool to create animations like this. Hi there, Kaiber is an AI-powered tool that allows users to create animated videos in various styles quickly and easily. It uses cutting-edge deep learning algorithms to analyze user-provided inputs such as images, text, and voiceovers, and automatically generates an animated video based on those inputs. This is Kaiber beta version. Let's explore this website that's the best AI tool to create animation. Since you are new here, you need to sign up. Just sign up, fill up your details, just to sign up with your Google account. I will go with a Google account, accept it. This is the dashboard. Just click on create your first video, and now we are in the editor, so here we have it. You can see here initially we have 30 credits to use on free account. We will use these credits. You can upload your initial file or you can go with the skip to prompt. I will go with my file. First, upload the initial picture. This is a picture I have uploaded. Now go to the next step by continuing to prompt. This is the main thing we need to focus. Here we are supposed to describe the subject. You can select from these or you can enter your own. I will go with the selection of portrait of man character. We need to select the style. Here we have different styles. You can choose from here or you can type your own. Continue to setting. So here we have some settings about the video. That duration of the video, the more the duration is, the more the credit will go. So we will go with 8 seconds. You can here adjust the stability of the animation. So now let the AI be creative. It will take some time. It says that it can take around 10 seconds. Please wait. It is just crafting the masterpiece for us. You may leave this page to create more videos. If you leave this page, doesn't matter. It will be crafting your masterpiece in the background. While it's crafting my masterpiece, so I should take a cup of coffee as well. Here we are. This is the prompt that we use to create this animation. Just click on download the video button and the video has been downloaded. So here we are happy with the results. That's really awesome. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question or comment, please leave them down below.